I'm changing into my gym outfit. Wow. So awesome. It's like magic. Hello, what is up? I am about ready to hit the gym. Let me show you the full fit. Demon Slayer shirt, I've got a headband because it looks cool, and green shorts, I have Demon Slayer matching knee sleeves. It's the pattern on Tanjiro's cloak. I also have lifting shoes, and I'm debating if I should bring those or not. You know what, I will. I'm hitting glutes, no, I'm not. I'm hitting quads. And I'm going with my friend Tucker. And everyone is like, is that your boyfriend? Is that your boyfriend? No, he's my gay bestie, okay? He is my gay bestie. And we hit the gym together all the time. He is my gym buddy. After the gym, hopefully I have time to run home and eat first before I go to the mall that is an hour away from me because my phone is fucked. The battery has expanded and my phone dies at like 80%. It used to just die at 20%. It would just shut off randomly and I had to connect it to a power source in order for it to work. But now it does it at 80%. And now I feel like it does it at 90%. So it's basically unusable. So I have a portable charger that is connected to it at all times in order to use it, but it is just such an inconvenience. I have gone to 2 different places so far. Verizon, they were just like, if you want to get a new battery, you might as well get a new phone because it'll cost you more to get a new battery. And I thought he was lying because salesman. I'm just wondering how it could possibly cost more to get a new battery than a new phone. And the thing is, I would get a new phone, but the iPhone 17 is coming out in around possibly 2 weeks or so. Obviously, I am not wanting to get a new phone right now until the new one comes out. I went to Best Buy because I went into the battery settings in my phone and it said the maximum capacity of battery is 66%, which is insane. And basically, if you don't know what that means, your iPhone battery at 100%, mine doesn't charge to 100%. It charges to 66%. That's the maximum capacity. Enough rant, enough ramble. Let's go to the gym. I am bringing my espresso, what is it? Espresso, almond butter, protein, banana, date smoothie. My drive is like 30 minutes to the gym and I'll just guzzle this down on the way. I don't think I'm gonna take any pre-workout. Maybe I'll drink an energy drink. I'll bring it to go so I can sip on it throughout the day because I cannot drink a full energy drink just all in one. I will start to get anxious. I'll start to feel a little nauseous maybe at the gym. You people and your caffeine addictions are insane. I love caffeine. I love energy drinks. But you crazy motherfuckers who shotgun an energy drink or even dry scoop pre-workout and then shotgun an energy drink after that, that's literally insane. That is literally insane. I'm talking too much, so we should go to the gym before Tucker yells at me for being late because I am late every single time to everywhere that I go, but I can't be late for my Apple appointment. Oh, wait, I never even talked about my second time. See, I'm just all over the place. Anywho, I'll just talk about that real quick. He said, your battery looks like it's expanding, which isn't a problem unless the battery is leaking because we don't have the proper tools to do that. And so if so, you will have to make an appointment at the Apple store. And it was indeed leaking. Hopefully 3rd time is a charm and we'll see.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, how are you? Hello.
Hello.
shit, I can't get it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Code Lila.
Hey guys, I'm actually a fucking idiot and I didn't record my last set.
When I record my workouts, I always record the last set of whatever exercise I'm on, and I fucking forgot to hit the record button last set, so I'm doing it one. Oh my god, so I'm doing another one. Barbell hip thrusts in, I don't even know, maybe like over a year, which is crazy because I just use the machines because why wouldn't I? So I'm doing it today because the machine at this gym, it's just not my favorite. Even though I've been using it this whole time, I decided I'm boycotting it. So I don't like setting it up. Call me lazy, which kind of, yeah, I am. Because that's why I use the machines, because I do feel it a lot whenever I do the barbell hip thrust. I just, setting it up is just so much work, which is crazy because I'm at the gym and I'm here to do work, but. This shit's fire! We're at the Apple store now trying to get my phone battery replaced. This is the third stop that I've attempted to get it replaced, so hopefully third time is the charm. It literally won't work unless it's connected to some sort of power bank or outlet or something. I got some things at Urban. I forgot to record while I was in there, but I got some underwear that I'm not gonna show you. And I got this cute bag. Okay. It was a success. They fixed my phone, so I have a whole new battery in it now. And they also had to fix my camera because my phone wouldn't let me take pictures in 0.5 for some reason, but got it fixed. So I basically have a whole new phone now. I guess there's no rush for me to get the new one now. I feel like I'm gonna have this phone for forever. I don't even know. It's the iPhone 13 Pro, so I've had this one for a while. And while we were waiting for my phone to get repaired on, we did some shopping. Got stuff from PacSun, got stuff from Urban. And Tucker made out good too. He went to Lululemon and Journeys and stuff. Yay, it was a success. And thank goodness, because they told me that they might have to keep my phone overnight if it wasn't going to be done in time. I'm so happy that it was because it's a 45-minute drive. But yeah, now I'm gonna go home. I meant to drink my protein shake on the way to the mall, but I forgot, so I am drinking it now. It has been getting dark so much earlier lately, and that is not a vibe. Not a vibe. I like the weather. It's been like 70 to 80, honestly, 60 to 80. And I like that, but I don't like how it's getting dark so early these days. What the fuck is up with daylight savings?
That's fake.
What is up with that? Why have we not... Why do we still do that?
It's a made-up concept.
So dummy. Now it's warm. Ooh. Oh. Hey, I'm at my friend's house and I ordered some sushi. I DoorDashed some. I've been on such a sushi kick lately and I have been getting it every single week. Every single week. For... I don't even know. It's just my new hyperfixation. I like need it. I need it. It's just so good. And this is a new thing that I've seen on this menu. They're like sushi tacos. Hello? Yeah.